Hello everyone, I'm Jessica and thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm going to be telling you 5 things that I did in this particular lockdown for a positive, better aspect on life. So I guess that's it. Let's get started. Now these things are just generally, so if you're thinking about it's just another study related video, well, it's not every study related video, it's kind of different, but still. Okay, number one is to make a to-do list, like literally every day. Please do it, don't miss a single day. At the end of the day you will be thinking, okay, this day kind of went wasted. Well, if you have made a to-do list, then I think there are 75% of chance that it won't get wasted. Now it's also important that you don't overly write, if you know what I'm saying, that you don't write 5 to 8 things that you know that you won't be getting done, but still you're writing because you have to get done this. You can make a monthly to-do list, or monthly is very big, I know, chalo, but weekly to-do list you can do, and you can write like 20 things that you have to get done, but please don't do it in the single day. Write things that you know you would be able to get done by the efficient amount of time, because when you're going to bed you want to know that you have worked hard this day and you have made it the most you can, and the to-do list that you have completed with the 5 things are all crossed off and you have done the best. That's what I'm talking about, because if you have to get track of the things that you're getting done about how much amount of time, and you should know that you're working hard and you are taking every day, every minute count. It's just on time management. It's all about time management. That was number 1. Make a to-do list, don't overly write, and manage your time. Just get a track of every single thing. Alright, number 2. Well, this is a very simple one because I was quite an unhealthy eater, I would say, just eating random chips and stuff, biscuits and other things. What I did was to change. I replaced it with cucumber and hummus as a combination, and I also had some coconut. It's very delicious, and you can have salads, like literally salads are amazing. You can also add some dressings if you know what I'm saying. Just search it up and do what you can. I guess that's number 2. Get some healthy stuff inside you, because that is going to show up at the end of the day, because you just know what you're having or eating will show up on your results. Even though it's exam, I know it sounds kind of bizarre, but it's true. What you're eating is the way your mind works, the way your system works, the way your body works, and eventually your mind has to get done with the exam, right? You're preparing yourself. Alright, that was it. Number 3 is kind of simple, kind of not, but I'm just going to tell you that break a sweat every day. It's really important to move your body every single day, or alright, not every single day, but at least 5 times a week. Do what you love, but just break a sweat. If you love dancing, dance your heart out. If you love, I don't know, you are not going to get done with anything out of the house, so I'm just going to tell you the things that are possible in the house, because please don't step out of your house. Do some cardio workouts. Then what else workouts are there? Normal workouts, dancing. I think dancing is the best option because it's just simple. I'm just telling you to break a sweat. Just move your body and you are done. 10 minutes, 30 minutes, alright, it's over. Because you know that you're a bio student. I think you're a bio student. So I'm just going to tell you, sweating releases endorphins and it's a happy hormone. So let's be happy and get things done. That's most important. Alright, that was my number 3 thingy. Now number 4 is to get yourself some time out of your life for yourself. It's really important to give yourself a break. It's anything. For example, you can do anything in that particular thing, but do the things that you love. don't just spend time regularly like ऐसे ही कुछ भी कर लिया but sometime even be 30 minutes. If you're very very busy, then 30 minutes is fine, 20 minutes is fine, chalo, but please don't do it less than 20 minutes. I don't think you're that much of busy person. Okay, do anything. If you love watching TV dekh lo, painting, drawing, what else, dancing, singing, but just give yourself some time, because it's important in this kind of things what are happening in the world currently. You kind of get uncertain about things. I personally felt so much about these things in this kind of times, but at the end of the day, you need to remember what you're doing and never lose hope. I would say it's very important to know why you are doing what you are doing. Like I think if you're watching my video, you are probably a NEET aspirant, I would say, but you probably need to know, because at some times you are going to get distracted, you are going to get out of the track from your real path. At that time, you need to remind yourself, why are you doing this? Why do you want to crack NEET? Okay, number 5. Now this step is kind of uncertain, but it's really important to know that it will be alright at the end of the day, and you have, well, I will not say ample amount of time, but you have time, and you are really, you can do anything you want. You just need to work hard, I would say, and really believe on yourself. So I'm just telling you that don't get too much stressed about all these things. Just do your work. Cause I'm telling you, according to me, even though I have done nothing till now, but I'm just telling you my opinion, how I do. If you want to know, is I think that 2 things are most important. Is that time management is the key, and consistency. Don't lose track. Just do everything every day. Everything every day. अरे बस नहीं कहना था मेरे को. But just utilize your every day. Even though, just push yourself a little harder. It's just I'm saying, and there is always hope. If you know what I'm saying. Alright, I guess that's it. What I wanted to say, and I think you got the point about all the situation. Alright, I'll just really recap all the things. The number 1 thing that I said was about the to-do lists. Make a to-do list. Don't overly write, because it just make you feel bad about yourself at the end of the day. Number 2 was to get yourself some healthy food, because the things you get in will probably show on your results too. Result about anything you would say. Alright. Number 3 is to exercise, or just break a sweat. I would say थोड़ा सा भी पसीना आ रहा है, बस चलो ठीक है, हो गया, it's enough, no problem. Just get your body moving is what I'm trying to say. Number 4 was to take some amount of your time out of the day for yourself. 1 hour, 30 minutes, for yourself. Do things that you love, like really really love. If dancing makes you feel good about yourself, if you have to, just sometimes it's really important to take a break and just do what you love, and just laugh and dance around. It's really helpful. Alright, so, and number 5 was to believe in yourself, I would say, and just be consistent with your work, and remember there is always a hope. In these uncertain times, we know that we feel that how the things are going, I don't think this really would work out, but still you have to, I'm just telling you to have a hope in yourself, on the world, everyone, and just keep doing what you're doing, because you know that it will make sense at some time. Alright, that was it, I guess. Thank you so much for watching or just listening to me, because clips in this video was quite weird, but if you're still listening to me, I'm really really big fan of you, because I don't think I can even listen to myself this amount of time. But thank you. And If you liked such video, then please comment down below that if I should make more such videos. I don't know.